Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and again, I've got another black Cybertruck. These just never get old. It's such a cool look for the Cybertruck. Let's go through what we've got going on this one. This is pretty much our standard Blackout package. Truck comes in brand new, we wipe it down, we clay bar it, we take all the plastic off, and then we've installed T-Max Satin Black. This is a PPF that we put on here, super popular, satin, so it's easy to maintain. It's the, gloss black reflects like a mirror. Looks amazing, but when it gets dirty, it's tough to get it clean and keep it clean. That's why I like the satin black. If you look up here, we've embossed Foundation Series, we've embossed the Cyber Beast head. It's cool, it's there, but it's subtle, it's not in your face. You see it when you want to see it, but it's not loud, so it kind of fits the theme of this Blackout look. On the windows, we've got our black tint up here. This is like the limo darkness, 15%. We've got this install it right here in Atlanta or in Los Angeles, but we also have our DIY window tint kit, so check that out. You can do this at home. Just like wrapping this or PPFing it at home, since the panels are flat, it's doable. Same thing with the windows, DIY friendly. And on these stock wheels, we've cleaned them up a little bit, taken the factory covers off, and you've got the T-Sportline center caps in there. Now, they come with that T-Sportline center cap in the middle, but we know a lot of people want a Tesla center cap, so we do offer a Tesla branded center cap, which you can put in there optionally as well. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way soon. Thanks, everybody.